Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be making the 1/22 scale Zlin Z-42M by Hobbyboss. This is a pretty interesting kit since the majority of the airplane is made up of clear parts. I have no idea why they did this, especially since it makes the painting much more difficult. The interior parts were painted with Vallejo light grey. I also used this paint on the majority of the aircraft as a base coat. The seats were painted with 84 leather brown, however in reality these should have been red. The instructions don't mention anything about nose weight, however I did end up putting an absurd amount of lead into the front. I then sprayed the model again with a coat of Vallejo light grey. I then sprayed a few coats of Vallejo white. The reason that part of the S is missing from the registration decal is because it got stuck on the transfer paper. Also, the quality of the decals were just mediocre. After adding the propeller, I consider this finished. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.